guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to get this eye look right here, and I was heavily inspired by the colors in the latest Joker movie with Joaquin Phoenix. Now I love this movie. I love the character Joker like in general, but this movie I think is up there with Heath Ledger's performance, but not the same. But I definitely think Joaquin Phoenix embodied the man of the Joker, while Heath Ledger embodied the character of the Joker, if that makes any sense. Definitely go check out the movie. Don't go in there thinking you're going to be seeing a comic book movie, because that's definitely not what it is. It's a movie about a man that happens to be a comic book character. I'm definitely going to go see it again. I loved it. So I was very inspired by the Joker. Now I didn't use all of the colors that you usually, see with the Joker, like the green hair. So I don't have any greens in here, but I have a lot of purples, reds, yellows, and oranges. And then on my lip I have a brown lip liner, and then in the center I just used a nude lipstick with some concealer. So yeah, I really like how this look turned out, and I think it's a very, very fall. It's not something I would typically wear, but I wanted to go outside my comfort zone, and I had a color scheme, so yeah, I went for it. And the palette that I used to do this is from NYX Cosmetics. This is one of their Ultimate palettes, and this is the Phoenix. Now you have a lot of reds, oranges, yellows, some purples. A majority of the colors are more on the neutral warm side, but you do have a few cool tones right in this area. I like this palette. It's not the best pigmentation, like don't go in thinking this is going to be like a Viseart palette, but for anybody on a budget like myself that wants different colors, wants to maybe put different color combinations together, and wants them all in one palette, this would definitely work for you. And they have different color variations of this palette, so I'll leave a link down below to Ulta where you can check out all of the NYX Ultimate Shadow palettes. This one just happens to be the one that really drew me to it because of the oranges and the reds, but they have a whole bunch of different ones. I think they have one that's all cool tones too, so like I said, the link will be down below in the description box. I also used a new primer today. Let me see where it's at. I used the Too Faced Major Hangover Primer. I'm not sure if I like this, because when I went to apply my foundation, it was kind of balling up. Now I did use a brush. This was the brush that I was using for my foundation. I don't usually use a brush. I usually use my L'Oreal sponge, but I was like, why not? It's right here, and my brush wasn't damp. But when I used that, it kind of like balled up. I'm not sure if it was like the foundation didn't like this primer, but I had like little balls, as if like when you put that like any kind of dimethicone primer on your skin, it will ball up, kind of like the Professional from Benefit. Sometimes it balls up, let's just be honest. But this doesn't have any silicone in it, so that kind of confused me. Anyway, I'm not sure if I like this. I may try it with a different foundation. When I went in with the sponge to apply another layer of foundation in certain places, it smoothed out, and then I put powder on and everything looks fine. But initially it wasn't looking too hot, but I'm happy everything turned out good. And I think I already mentioned what was on my lips. This is a lip liner from NYX. I don't remember the shade, but it's a brown lip liner from NYX. And then I went in with the shade Chai from Smashbox. This is a neutral color. And I mixed in a little bit of my concealer to lighten it. And that's how I got this ombre purplish brown lip. Anyway, if you want to know how to get this eye, then keep on watching. So this NYX palette doesn't have any shade names, so what I'm going to end up doing is just point at the shades that I'm going to use, and then you'll see where I apply them for the look. So I'm starting on my outer corner, building it up with that purple shade, And I'm just patting it in, and then I'm going to go in later and blend around the edges. But this was a super simple look, and honestly I was very surprised on how well this palette performed, considering that it was only like $12, because I did buy it when it was on sale. So I wasn't going into this with any high expectations, but I think I can do a little bit, I think I could do some more with this palette, because the shades that I used to do this look were not disappointing. So I'm probably going to be doing some more looks using this palette. And not only does it have a lot of colors in it, a lot of warm tones that I love, but it is budget friendly. And then remember, they do have different types of these palettes. Like some of them have bright colors, others have cool tones, they have warm brown shades and stuff like that in their other little NYX palettes. So definitely give these a go. I don't really use a lot of NYX eyeshadows. Like I've never bought a NYX palette before, I don't think, at least not that I remember. I usually get their single shadows, but I might have to start investing in their palettes, because this one was pretty awesome for the price. So what I'm doing is just building up that outer corner, and then you saw me blend the orange into the purple. And now I am lining my bottom lash line and my top lash line with a purple. I do believe this is a L'Oreal Silkisime, sorry. L'Oreal Silkisime eyeliner, and this is in the shade Plum. And then I did a half cut crease using my Colourpop white concealer to cut half my crease, like I just said. Oh my god, get it together, Connie. I think I'm coming down with the cold, honestly, because I am so tired right now. But I really wanted to get this video out because I loved this look. Like, I was wearing it all day, feeling some type of way. Like, I look good, and it was very out of my comfort zone. You guys know I like my my warm browns, my golds, and stuff like that. I don't wear a lot of pinks and oranges, so this was something different, but I definitely like how it turned out, and it was very, very easy to do, so that's definitely a bonus as well. Just try it. I'm sure you can do it too. Okay guys, that's it for this video, and I hope you liked it. If you did, give me a big thumbs up and press the subscribe button down in the description box so you don't miss any more content from me, and I hope to see you in the next video.